Yes. I might need to make one little more thing, but we're finally getting our speaker to be level. For them to be at the same level. So our phone works. Look at that, it's perfect.
Very nice.
Perfect. Go just like that. Boom. Awesome.
So, what we got here?
What I did here is I opened up the back. I don't know if it's true or not. And I'm not going to spread any rumors. And it just doesn't hurt to try. But I don't like having the back of the speaker completely locked in by the adapter. So since this adapter is kind of long,